Want to make a video cinematic with just a smartphone and not an iPhone? I'm talking about a normal budget smartphone. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 4 quick tips that you can apply on your videos to make your videos look really cinematic. So without wasting any time, let's just quickly jump into it. So the first quick tip is getting stable footages. Shaky footages can really make your videos look very unprofessional and it will just ruin your cinematic mood. To get stable footages on your smartphone, you can either use gimbals for your smartphone or use some stands like GorillaPods or something like that can make your smartphone stable while shooting. If you don't have any of this, you can also shoot handheld stable footages. You should be holding your smartphone as close to you as possible, and it should not be like this where your arms are stretched, but it should be as close to you as possible, like this. So your smartphone should be as close to you as possible, and when you move, your entire body should move. So suppose you want to pan the camera, you don't do like this. No, this is wrong. The camera will not be stable and you will get a shaky footage. But what you have to do, you hold it like this close to your body, and then you move your entire body, and in this way you will get a very stable footage. So the second quick tip is using camera movements. While shooting different scenes, don't just put the camera stable on a tripod and let everything just go on and on and on. Do some camera movements, change the camera angles. If you have a subject in the frame, then move the camera along with the subject. A still scene can really ruin the cinematic vibe of the video. And if you forgot to do some camera movements while shooting, you can also fake it in the post. But don't try to make this as a habit. Do as much as you can while shooting and fix some things that you forgot or that are mistakenly done in post. So quick tip number 3, using a nice color grading. What I see in many small filmmakers and creators is that they don't use the color grading. Even if you are shooting in a smartphone, do some color grading. I know it will be tough enough for you to do the color grading in post when shot in a smartphone, but still you can do up to some extent in post to get that perfect look of your scene. So don't miss out that color grading. If you are shooting in a golden hour, that has a different color grading. If you are shooting in night time, that has a different color grading. So your every scene should convey the feeling, should convey the story to the audience. So a very fade and dull footage can be made to look very cinematic just by using color grading on it. And the last quick tip is using sound design. Most of the filmmakers, I'm talking about the small and new filmmakers, they avoid using the sound design. They just put the videos in the sequence, add some background music to it, and just they are done. A perfect sound design can make your videos look very cinematic. To get your audience perfectly indulge in the video and want to flow with the video you have created, you have to add sound design to it, which conveys the perfect feeling, the perfect story of the video. I made a B-roll few months back and I explained everything how sound design impacts the video. So go in the card and check the video out to know entirely how I sound design my videos. So guys, these were the 4 quick tips applying which you can get a very cinematic video even with a smartphone. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful for you. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new to this channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button below down there. And having that said, see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.